in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up multiple monitors or dual displays on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search menu or start button and search for settings. Best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, select display. Should be a section underneath scale and layout that says multiple displays. Click that drop down to expand it and then select the detect button. Please note that if your monitor came with any installation media on a USB drive or a DVD, I'd recommend installing that or go onto the manufacturer's website and check there. If you're unable to locate or procure that data, you may want to just go through the Windows utility like I did here. Sometimes a lot of monitors just plug and play, so if you plugged it in, it should detect it automatically. And then you can also go underneath advanced display here and then adjust additional preferences for that monitor once you have it installed. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.